Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to reset your AlipayHK login or payment password. First, open the Alipay app, tap on mode and then click on retrieve password. Then you'll have to enter your account that you want to recover for the password. Enter your mobile number or email address. Once you're done entering your mobile number and email address, click on the next step to the security verification, and then you'll get a verification code and verify it using the OTP code sent to you on your phone. After verification, create a new login password and confirm it. For resetting your payment password, go to settings, security, payment password and follow the instructions. You may need to complete identity verification before setting a new payment password. Once done, your password will be updated successfully. That's how you reset your AlipayHK password. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.